Ever felt the urge to uncover secrets from a time long past? Imagine a place where every stone whispers stories of mystery, power, and grandeur. Today, we're diving into the heart of Prague to reveal hidden secrets that have been locked away for centuries. Let's uncover what lies beyond the city's most legendary landmarks and see Prague through the eyes of history's most intriguing figures. Welcome to Top Travel, and get ready for an unforgettable journey as we explore what secrets lie inside. Prague, the city of 100 spires. A place that has enchanted poets, artists, and travelers for centuries. But behind its iconic beauty lies a world few truly know. Beneath its Gothic facades and medieval charm are secrets, stories, and surprises that defy time. From legendary castles to walls that breathe peace and rebellion, Prague is more than meets the eye. Join me as we uncover these mysteries and reveal a side of Prague that even some locals have yet to discover. And remember to like, subscribe, and follow Top Travel for more explorations of the world's hidden gems. 1. Charles Bridge at sunrise. Let's start our journey on Prague's most famous bridge, Charles Bridge. Sure, you might have heard of it, but do you know why it was built, or what strange rituals were performed during its construction? This medieval stone bridge was commissioned by Charles IV in the 14th century and is lined with 30 baroque statues. Each statue, with its unique story, watches over the Vltava River and the people crossing it daily. But here's a little-known fact: the foundation stones of Charles Bridge were laid at precisely 5:31 a.m. on July 9, 1357. The exact date and time were chosen based on an astrologer's calculations to make the bridge stronger and resistant to natural disasters. That's not all. Some legends say that egg yolks were mixed into the mortar to strengthen the bridge, and strange as it sounds, this recipe may be one of the reasons it's still standing today. Visit Charles Bridge at sunrise to feel its serene beauty before the crowds arrive. You'll get a sense of Prague's soul, and maybe, just maybe, feel the lingering spirit of its ancient builders. 2. Old Town Square and the Astronomical Clock. Just steps away from Charles Bridge lies the beating heart of the Old Town, the iconic Old Town Square. Known for its historic buildings and captivating energy, the square is home to a treasure, Prague's astronomical clock. Built in 1410, this isn't just any clock. It's the world's oldest operational astronomical clock and has enchanted visitors for over 6 centuries. But here's a curious detail: the clock's maker, Master Heinous, was blinded by city leaders to prevent him from creating a similar masterpiece for anyone else. Legends say he got his revenge by damaging the clock, which left the city without a functioning timepiece for years. Today, the clock springs to life every hour with a parade of apostles and a skeleton figure representing death, reminding us of the passage of time. To fully experience this masterpiece, catch the clock's hourly show and let it transport you back to medieval Prague. And while you're there, take in the atmosphere of Old Town Square, where history feels as alive as the crowds gathering to watch. 3. Prague Castle and St. Vitus Cathedral. We now move on to the majestic Prague Castle, a sprawling complex that holds the title of the largest ancient castle in the world. This is no ordinary castle. Within its walls are layers of history, art, and architecture that date back over 1,000 years. One of the castle's crowning jewels is St. Vitus Cathedral, a Gothic marvel with soaring spires and incredible stained glass. But there's more to this cathedral than meets the eye. The cathedral holds the tomb of Saint Wenceslas, one of Bohemia's most beloved saints. It also houses the Bohemian crown jewels, which are hidden behind a door with 7 locks. The keys to these locks are distributed among 7 prominent figures in the Czech government and church. So, opening this door requires the cooperation of these 7 leaders. It's like a real-life fairy tale security system, one that adds to the mystique of this monumental site. Visitors to Prague Castle can wander through centuries of history, each corridor echoing with the stories of kings, queens, and warriors. This is one of Prague's greatest treasures, and yet its secrets remain well protected behind ancient stone walls. 4. Vysehrad Fortress. Away from the main tourist trail lies a quieter but equally fascinating site, Vysehrad Fortress. This ancient fortress stands on a hill above the Vltava River, offering stunning panoramic views of the city. But it's not just about the views. Vysehrad is believed to be the original seat of Czech royalty and holds a special place in Prague's history and folklore. One of the most intriguing legends is that of Princess Libuse, a mythical founder of Prague who was said to have prophetic visions. She foretold that a great city would rise on the banks of the Vltava River. Today, Vysehrad is also home to a beautiful basilica and a cemetery where some of the Czech Republic's most celebrated figures, like composer Antonín Dvořák, are laid to rest. For those seeking a more tranquil side of Prague with a hint of mystery, Vysehrad is the perfect destination. 5. Lennon Wall. If you thought Prague was only about ancient history, think again. The Lennon Wall, near the Charles Bridge, is a colorful tribute to peace, love, and freedom. What began as a simple portrait of John Lennon after his death in 1980 has since transformed into a dynamic wall of art and protest. During the communist era, the wall became a symbol of freedom and resistance, filled with messages of hope from young Czechs. The government painted over the wall multiple times, but each time, new graffiti appeared overnight. Today, the Lennon Wall is an ever-evolving work of art where visitors from around the world leave messages of peace and unity. Bring a marker or some paint and become part of Prague's living history. 6. Petrin Hill and Lookout Tower. For an escape into nature with unbeatable views of Prague, head up Petrin Hill. At the top, you'll find the Petrin Lookout Tower, often referred to as Prague's mini Eiffel Tower. Climbing to the top rewards you with panoramic views of the city, stretching all the way to Prague Castle and beyond. The climb itself is an adventure, but the sight that awaits you is well worth the effort. Petrin Hill also has beautiful gardens and a mirror maze that's fun for travelers of all ages. It's the perfect spot to relax and take in the beauty of Prague from above. Call to action. If you're enjoying this journey through Prague's secrets, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Top Travel brings you the world's hidden wonders and travel tips, so make sure to explore our other videos for more inspiring travel destinations. 7. Strahov Monastery Library. Our final stop takes us to one of the most magnificent libraries in the world, the Strahov Monastery Library. This baroque library feels like something out of a fairy tale, with beautifully painted ceilings and hallways filled with ancient manuscripts. It's a place where history, art, and knowledge come together in a breathtaking way. Walking through the library feels like stepping into another era, surrounded by books and artifacts that have survived the passage of time. This is not just a library, it's a testament to Prague's rich cultural heritage. And though visitors can't touch the books, the beauty of this space will leave a lasting impression. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the secrets and stories that lie within the heart of Prague. From ancient legends to modern expressions of freedom, Prague's treasures are as diverse as they are captivating. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of Europe's most enchanting cities. If Prague has inspired you, or if you've uncovered any hidden gems here yourself, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Travel, where we take you behind the scenes of the world's most iconic and hidden destinations. Until next time, happy travels, and may your journeys always lead to unforgettable discoveries.